All right, welcome to Module 2 of Happiness. This one will be focused on your friends and family relationships. So if you currently don't have any friends, I want you to set a goal of making one new friend this week. And that could be as simple as going outside, giving someone a compliment, giving someone a high five. Do something out of your comfort zone. Go make a friend today. If you currently already have friends, I want you to evaluate what kind of relationship do you have with them. Is it mostly positive? Is it mostly negative? How do they treat you? How do you treat them? I want you to get specific. What does that ideal friendship look like? How do you want them to be treated? How do you want to treat them? I want you to get very specific on this and do the same thing with your family relationships. Maybe you have siblings or parents you don't get along with. How can you improve those relationships? What can you do? I highly recommend reading the book Win Friends and Influence People. You read the book How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. It has very simple techniques on how to change your perception on relationships. I'll put a link down here in the description to get it on Amazon, or you could probably watch a free summary on YouTube. But I want you to go through that book because it will really change your experience on your relationships. And you'll find it's very simple techniques, but nobody does them. And so you'll stand out from the crowd. You'll start to have the best relationship with your friends. You'll start to have the best relationship with your siblings or your parents. I want you to start incorporating these things. Remember, when you're on a health day, focus on your health. When you're on your wealth day, focus on your active income and passive income. And when you're on a happiness day, I want you to focus on your relationships. All right. So go out there, do something amazing with your life. That's the end of this module. It's very simple. All you have to do is check out that book or watch a summary on it and start taking action. I hope you improve the quality of relationships. If you don't have any friends, I hope you find a best friend. If you currently have friends, I hope you improve them. And if you currently have family, I hope you improve the relationships with them. Happy journey.